Sane Ohana, bringing you the South Pacific of Polynesia with Mauna Kea. And I will be your host, guiding you throughout this journey into the islands of the South Pacific, otherwise known as Polynesia. Now, before we get started, show of hands, how many of you have ever been to the islands of Hawaii? All right, looks like we got a couple of rich cousins out here. I like it. Now, for those of you who have never gone to the islands of Hawaii, there's a couple things that you need to know before you go, okay? First things first is the greeting word. Can anybody guess what that greeting word is? It is aloha. Now, aloha means many different things. It means hello, it means goodbye, and it also means I love you. Now, it is a custom when somebody says aloha to you to repeat it right back. So we're going to try this all together, one ohana, okay? Everybody, aloha! Mahalo nui, thank you very much. Now, when you travel to the islands of Hawaii, you might recognize and realize that the women there wear a flower in their ear. Now, back before the internet, before Facebook, the flower was the original relationship status. So, if a woman wears her flower on her left ear, it is closest to her heart, which means she is taken, happily taken. If she wears the flower on the opposite ear, it is the farthest from the heart, which means she is single, ready to mingle. Now, gentlemen, I want you to pay very close attention to this. If she wears it in the middle, yeah, the middle, that means she is taken, but still looking. So watch where you put that flower, everybody. Now, we are going to continue on our journey over to the beautiful islands of Samoa. Can everybody say Samoa? Samoa. Now we're going to teach you the Samoan sasa, or the sitting down hand dance, okay? So all you're going to have to do is watch our beautiful vahines up here in front of you and listen to me. So first things first, hands up. Everybody, hands up. Now you're going to bring them together and clap. Keep going. We call this bati. Everybody say bati. Now you're going to take both hands, make them like cups. Bring them together for a low sound. We call this bow. Everybody say bow. Now we're going to switch it up, okay? So pay attention. Everybody, bati. Bow. bo, bati, bo. Now everybody give me one bati, one bo. Now you're gonna take your hand, stick it out to the person next to you, shake that person's hand, and say talofa. All right, I heard somebody out there say Toyota. It's talofa. Everybody give me one bati, one bo. Now, you gotta cook for everybody. It's an island thing. We do it all the time. So, with your right hand, you're gonna scoop up some water, put it in the pot. With your other hand, grab the chicken, throw that in the pot, and stir. Yeah, just like that. Now, everybody give me one bati, one bowl. Now, you gotta let everybody know where the party is at. So, with your right hand, you're gonna put that on top of your head. Other hand out to the side. You're gonna let everybody know, party over here. Switch it to the other side, party over there. Switch it out in front of you, party up here. Now you're gonna bring your hand forward and clap. At the same time, you're gonna make your loudest and happiest scream. Okay, so on the count of 3, I wanna hear your happy scream. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try this with the beat. All right, everybody, hands up. Bati, bo, across talofa. Bati, bo, water in the pot, and the chicken in the pot, and stir. Bati, bo, party over here, party over there, party over here, and scream! Give yourselves a round of applause. That is the Samoan sasa. Now we're gonna head over to the beautiful islands of Tahiti. Can everybody say Tahiti? We're gonna bring our beautiful vahinas out for you to do a solo Tahiti. Everybody give a round of applause for our beautiful dancers from the islands of Tahiti. All right, now we've come to the conclusion of our show. Did you guys have a good time? I said, did you guys have a good time? We want to thank you so very much for allowing us to spread a little bit about our culture with you here tonight. So from all of us to all of you, we'd like to say, aloha, bye. Thank you, everybody, and aloha! Take it away, DJ!